Okay, for today's recap of the Country Wayne skits, I want to concentrate this one on Amber and Shayla. When Shayla went to go pick up Kai at Amber's house after she was late, by the way, because Amber had to pick up the phone and say, "Hey, Shayla, where you at? I thought I told you to be here by 9. Like, you're late, and I have somewhere I have to be. Like, I need you to hurry up and get over here." And she was on the phone talking like, yeah, all slurred and stuff like that, which should have been a clue that something wasn't quite right when it came to Amber. Now, with my last commentary, because somebody stated on my last commentary, Thomason, before you make your point of view statement about um Amber, Shayla went over there and she was high. Okay, so at the time of my commentary, we don't know whether or not she was actually high or not. They know that she smelled because she was acting like herself. I believe when they went in the bathroom, she tried the trees for the second time, because the first time she didn't do too well, and then the second time she went ahead and um, joined in with Iman because of the tension that she felt with Iman and Delicia when she came home from Anthony and Amber house that night, and they were both in different clothing. And Delicia was walking around in her robe. Iman had done took a bath and was laid out on the couch like he was sort of tired. So she read the room the way she needed to read the room. So that put doubt in Shayla's head about what is actually happening between Iman and Delicia, because she was like, "What y'all got going on here?" So her mind was clear, her judgment was clear. Now, when it came to the bathroom scene, uh, she was under the influence of the trees. So she didn't know. Just like when she was on the phone with Amber talking, she was under the influence of the trees. And when you're under the influence of anything, okay, your conscious mind is sort of take the back burner, and you just speak randomly. Some people speak truthfully, they tell their true feelings. So Shayla comes over to Amber house late to pick up Kai. Now, here's my thing. Once Amber started realizing that something wasn't quite right, she already done smelled it again. Now she acting deterred from her usual self. She notices that Shayla has on her house shoes when Shayla dresses her behind off when she leaves the house at any point. Okay, she dresses. She get dressed. Whether or not you like her dress style or not, she gets dressed. Amber knows this because she's her former best friend, and she knows Shayla ain't gonna leave out the house like that. Okay, because the way Shayla mindset is, she has to be ready just in case. And even if she has a man, she has to present herself for her man, right? So the fact that she done drove over here in her house shoes, that's outside of the norm. Okay, so my question is, was Amber wrong for not calling the cops? And was she wrong for allowing Kai to leave with Shayla? She should have never let that woman leave her house under the influence of the trees the way she was. Matter of fact, here in Florida, if you get caught driving while you're buzzed, they're going to treat it just like a DUI, right? So, of any alcohol or other substance abuse, they're going to treat it just like that, and you're going to be charged. So, now, in my point of view, because like she said, your POV, like one of the viewers said, before you make that statement, when I made that statement, we didn't know. Now you know. Okay, my whole point of my last statement was you can't be assuming stuff. Okay, and let's because I use myself as an example, I saw it, so there was no assumption. Right. Amber was not in Shayla's house, so now you're assuming. But if someone comes to your house and they are acting the way that they're acting, and you know them, and they're acting outside of their behavior, they're slurred, I mean, she was telling Amber how beautiful she was. She was talking about her lip color, like, and y'all supposed to have some type of rivalry going on between the two of y'all. But see, this is the thing, Amber. Shayla's telling you how she truly feels about you. Still, she still think you're a beautiful woman. She still envies you. She still looks up to you, even though she did what she did. I will always say, Shayla pursued Anthony because she felt sorry for him because Amber was cheating with Wayne. That was the whole reason why she went after him to begin with. Now, do I think it's right? Absolutely not. It was not right. She was wrong. However, that's what led up to them having this affair with each other. But my question to you is Amber wrong for not contacting the authorities? Now, we know she cannot kidnap, so she can't just hold a baby if she's saying, give me my baby, I want to go. She can't do that. But Amber's smart. She could have used her mind. She could have used her head, came up with some type of reason why she had to delay it off. If you scared and you can't do it to her face, because I would have just did it to her face. Hey, look here, I need a cop to come here and check on my friend or the person that I know because I think something's wrong and I don't want her to get into an accident. I don't want the baby to get hurt. But if she's scared to do that, okay, hold off. I left something upstairs. I got to go get something for Kai. Hold on, let me take Kai so he can go get it. That's not outright keeping the child. And then call the cops in order for them to assess it. So that way, if something was to happen to Kai or Shayla at that point, Amber wouldn't have been able to live with herself because you allowed them to leave your home knowing good and darn well there was no, on the face of this God green earth and blue from the water, you should have allowed this woman to drive that car. It's a miracle she made it over there without getting into an accident. But there is no way you should have allowed her to leave your house the way she was with that baby. If Kai was your main concern in this whole thing, if you're portraying yourself like Kai is who you truly thinking about, then at that moment, Amber, in my opinion, you was not thinking about Kai. You could care, I ain't gonna say you could care less about Kai, but your actions was not showing what your words the previous time was saying. What I believe is you should have called somebody. The cops, call the cops, then call Child Protective Services to get in there to assess the situation, because now it ain't an assumption. You know something's wrong, and you know this woman should not have left your house like that with her child. And Shayla, shame on you, because the only reason why you're doing this and lowering yourself to now do something that you do not want to do is because you're trying to fit in with Armand. You're trying to connect with him the way Delicia has connected, because now you're seeing something that's going on between the two of them, and so now you're trying to interject yourself. You saw it before, but now there's a problem because now they both acting out of character. Tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think Amber was wrong in this situation? Should she have put her actions where her mouth was from the previous day and contact the property authorities to make sure Kai was okay and take the necessary steps she needed to take in order to protect that child? Tell me, what do you think? I think I'm going to start a new series on this Kountry Wayne skits and just basically ask the question of the viewer. What do you feel? How do you feel about this? Instead of putting it into the community board, I think I'm going to put it in the videos. That way, we can truly discuss the Kountry Wayne skits in its totality. As always, thank you for your love and your support on my channel. Be your brothers and your sister keeper. Keep God first. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And toodles.